Hi everybody, it's Dr. Newman. I want to talk a bit about Ellacor, which has become a very big part of my practice, and CO2 laser, which has always been a big part of my practice. I'm one of the few doctors around that owns both the CO2 laser and Ellacor, and what I'm finding in my practice is that the combination of the two, whether done together or done separately, is a very powerful tool. I'm doing more and more cases now where it's almost like a combination procedure of Ellacor and CO2 laser. Ellacor is done in the lower face, kind of from the center of the ear down around, including that area around the mouth. And CO2 laser is done full face, including the area over where I do the Ellacor. And I'm seeing such a powerful change by doing those procedures as a combination procedure. Ellacor is something that people will then come back and do several times. CO2 laser is really just something that they're doing that one time, but it's really become a powerful rejuvenating tool. Ellacor is something that allows me to tighten skin in a very novel way. It almost sounds silly the way that Ellacor works, but it works by the mechanism of almost like a hole puncher. And rather than me making a piece of paper smaller by cutting off a strip, I can make that paper smaller by punching a bunch of holes and removing little holes in the paper. The idea is that you end up with less paper. Well, for the skin, it's tightening the skin because you're ending up with less skin. And these little holes are so tiny, they're smaller than the needles that are used for drawing blood. There are no scars from them. So that, together with CO2 laser, has just become an incredibly powerful rejuvenation procedure.